we're here at the Westminster Bike Swap in this video. We got Owen, special guest.
We're locked in.
He knows about bikes.
Life.
This thing is crazy. I don't know anything about bikes, so we're just gonna like walk around, and I'm looking for a couple things for my bikes, but don't really know what I'm looking at. So that's why we have professional help.
We're gonna feel it out, see what we find.
Yes, sir.
A little carbon fiber in there, a little race face action.
Very fancy.
Those are fire. Very fire. I need more vintage mountain bike stuff in my life.
True. I don't know anything about mountain bikes. I do know this bike right here.
Fire. Super team.
Got the super teams. What kind of person runs those? Me. It's in the back of my car right now. I got the Chinelli.
Carbon fiber.
Yes, sir. These handlebars are sick.
Integrated Johns.
A pretty nice rig.
Got me a $40 super toe.
Oh!
Another special guest.
We outside with it.
We out here.
Sheesh.
It's a pretty rad looking frame. It's got like a lot of
rolls.
Front angle on it. It looks like, but that thing's nifty. Is it just me, or does that thing have like a lot of like front rake?
No, yeah, it's like a 24-inch front wheel, so it's like there's a built one over there. It looks insane.
And it's like got like the arrowness to it too. It's like
super
thicker.
pursuit, man. Super racy. Time trial stuff.
Sick. Got the old Specialized rock hopper, dude, with the basket on it.
$5 box, bro.
You guys are big bike nerds, right?
Yeah, I've been known.
What the hell is this thing?
A really weird bottom bracket.
It feels like it's very, very light.
Yeah.
Both things have like the space. I don't know if this happened to have two left sides or if it's like.
Oh, it could be Italian threaded.
Yeah. But they both have the.
Right, it caught my eye. Nope.
Cleats.
It's a full-weight one. So we're looking for one of these, but the rails are carbon.
Exo
So it's like
style.
super light. Not that. This is an old way of doing carbon.
Carbon, steel.
Yeah. It's like lugged, and then they slid the carbon into it. Sick.
Little glue, you're good to go.
Yeah, just glue her together. She
Yeah, this is like that Massey you just bought.
Yeah. It's pretty far.
A lot of
What a setup.
car life. Got a Chevy. It's a Chevy.
That's pretty rad.
High flange. I don't even know what brand this is. It's got some kind of stamp on there though.
Yeah, see it down in there?
That's sick.
It's only $10.
It's only $10.
$10.
Look, I bet this is that. I bet this is that same
Crazy.
one. It's just in a box.
True.
I don't want to open it because it looks like a carbon fiber baby monkey bar.
Flat bars. I don't think I've ever seen flat bars in carbon, but I don't do this stuff nearly as often as you do this stuff.
That's real. That's real. Love carbon bars, man. These are sick. These are like probably like 25 years old, but they look brand new.
They're only $20.
20 bucks. Get down here.
If we get 1,000 likes on this, me and Owen will make this a tandem unit and do a road trip in it.
Cross country ship.
We'll just build a sidecar off the side of it.
Yes. That thing.
That thing?
Yeah, it's all built up. That's the Nishiki. Different fork. This one's got the stock fork on it, but same arrow thing.
Interesting.
Those are really
Old school TT unit and the fixed gear unit.
got the old that in the coffin.
That is pretty gnarly.
That's hardcore, bro.
I've never seen that before. That's crazy.
Okay. That's lit.
If you had a red bike, that's what you need.
Red bike.
For show.
Mm-hmm. Locked in.
For the show.
Brackets. Oh, check these Johns out, man. These power
That
cranks.
is pretty gnarly. Owen had one job.
I do actually have always wanted these things, but they're like so hard to like. These wheels though.
Those go.
These are the fire,
those go
man.
absolutely way too hard. That's kind of crazy.
I know, man. I want these for my 26-inch mountain bike so bad. Like they just go crazy.
We love tri-spokes in this house.
All about it. Fire.
Got the Thai bike. Only 800. I was looking at these and had the same idea. It's a meat tenderizer.
Yeah, bro, you imagine that to your shin, bro? It's over. You're dead.
R.I.P.
Yikes. Oh my god. Oh,
Got Owen's rig out here in the parking lot, dude. Look at this unit.
Nismo boys.
The old Jap van right here. Nismo boy. Yes, sir. What a rig. Heck yeah. Dude, these are sick. Don't touch.
he said, do not touch. Don't.
One's over here found some nerd stuff. Some memorabilia, if you must.
The good old days. Look at that.
Yo,
Barely any
Van's
helmets.
helmet. It's like one of the Harley helmets. It's just like a hat.
Hoping for the best on that one.
Yeah, if you're trying to hang stuff on the wall, I'm the guy to talk to.
Dang, dude, these are fire.
I got a bunch
Well,
of
that's sick.
The biggest problem is I live in like a third.
All right, I just got back home. The wind is absolutely just going crazy right now. But let's show you guys what we got. Owen gave me some new pedals because I only have one pair of pedals, so that's cool. My road bike, the cassette has two bent gears in it. The outside gear and the inside gear are bent. So it always kicks out of gear. So this was $5. We take that. Got some wheels for my buddy, my best friend. He needed some new track wheels, so we found these. Something about American Classic Hubs or something. Like I said, I don't know a ton about bikes, but these are pretty sweet. Got the pair, this and this, for $50. So we take that. That's pretty cool. We also got, let's see, got this saddle right here for $5 for CJ. Oh Lord, as I drop it on the floor, don't tell him. Got this saddle right here, which I don't know anything about this saddle. Maybe you guys do, but it was $40. It's carbon, real light. It's gel on top, so maybe that'll be comfy. Got a new Hot Wheels, the Super Cub with that for $1. We take that. And then something I'm very excited about is I've been looking for one of these for a while. S-Works carbon saddle. This is for my road bike. My road bike's all carbon, so kind of excited for this. Really excited for this because right now I just have a bare carbon shell of a seat. It's not even a real seat. But the big thing I came home with, let me get it out. We were walking around at the end of the day, and this guy was like, "Please take this. I don't want to take it home." And I'm not the guy to say no. So $20, dude. Already got the seat stem. The seat is pretty much good and well cooked. I have another steering stem at here. I have wheels for it, and since it's a fixed gear, that's all you need. So I need to get some handlebars, a new seat, which I can use the seat off of this bike because I'm gonna put this seat on that bike, or saddle, whatever you want to call it, and then so I have a saddle for it. So really, I just need handlebars and tubes, and I can put that bike together. Then we can go ride it. So yeah, so that was the Westminster Bike Show. I think it's called. It's got a weird name like Stop Shop and Save Stop Shop, something like that. But yeah, I know this is a little bit of a weird one, not cars, but I am very much into bikes. I like bikes a lot. So yeah, let me know if you guys like seeing stuff like this. I know this video is all over the place. There's a lot going on today. Thanks for watching. See y'all.